Every year, thousands of employees are injured and even killed at work because of failure to manage risk. Risk management involves you, the employer, looking at the risks that arise in the workplace and then putting reasonable health and safety measures in place to control them. By doing this, you can protect your most valuable asset, your employee, as well as the members of the public from harm. MacroSafe will help you achieve this. Johnny Terblanche, our risk manager, will explain how MacroSafe does it.
As an employer, the Occupational Health and Safety Act requires you to assess and manage health and safety risks. For most businesses, this is difficult to do. MacroSafe Holdings can assist you. A risk assessment is an important step in protecting your workers and your business, as well as complying with the law. It helps you to focus on the risk that really matters in your workplace, the ones with the potential to cause harm. In many instances, simple measures can control risks. For example, ensuring spillages on factory floors are cleaned up quickly so that people do not slip. For the most part, that means simple, inexpensive and cost-effective measures to ensure that your workforce is protected. The law does not expect you to eliminate all risks, but you are required to control as many possible risks as you can. By doing this, you are protecting your employees, contractors and visitors. There are many ways of conducting risk assessments. The most common methods include a baseline risk assessment, HAZOP, the Hazard and Operability Study, SWIFT, Structured What-If technique, Failure Modes and Effects Analysis, better known as a FMEA, and CTA, Critical Task Analysis, just to mention a few. At MacroSafe, we believe in keeping it simple. For that reason, we use the Activity Risk Assessment, better known as a Task Risk Assessment. Our first step in the process is to identify all the tasks in the workplace. Once this is done, we identify the hazards associated with the task or activity. We then determine what possible risk exists with the hazard. Once this is done, we classify the risk by conducting a careful calculation. We do this by determining the probability of an incident occurring when the task is performed. Once we have this information, we calculate the severity of the possible incident. At this point, we are in a position to determine which of the tasks are critical, high or substantial risk. This also indicates which are low task risks. We then present a report and suggest control measures to manage the risk associated with the assessed task or activities. Our control measures fall under the following categories: appointment letters, barriers, certificates, communication awareness, equipment, hygiene, inspections, medicals, other engineering controls, permits to work, your PPE, SOPs, safe operating procedures, safety signs and training. From this point, when the task risk assessment is signed off, the MacroSafe inspectors analyze the control measures on a 3-monthly basis, then use the risk assessment control measures inspection checklists. Basil Todd, our client services manager, will explain how our service level agreement or SLA caters for all of these services.
We designed our SLA so that we are able to cater for any size company. We also went one step further, providing 2 options. The first option is a once-off fee and a service. The second is a monthly fee with various benefits, including risk assessments, free of charge for the first 12 months. We keep your risk assessments up to date and monitor your incidents via our COID, that's the Injuries on Duty department. If any task is flagged when an incident occurs, our risk department will re-evaluate your risk assessment and update the risk classification. All the control measures mentioned by Johnny are offered in our SLA. Some of them can be determined before the risk assessment is conducted and will be proposed by our client service officer when signing the first SLA. Once the risk assessment has been conducted, it is possible that more control measures will be implemented. Your MacroSafe officer will be happy to consult on any new or necessary control measures.